I'm at Throw Punch G, and today we have Rome, City of Marble by Brett Myers, produced by R&R Games. It's a game for 2 to 4 players. Let's crack this bad boy open and see what's inside. Nice thick box, that makes me happy right off the bat. Fun art. There we go. Alright. Rule book. Alright, so let's see what the rule book has. Ooh, giant thick rule book. Alright, walking us through lots of pictures to explain how to play, how to make points. All that looks awesome. Lots of descriptions. Oh, and then we're going back into different languages. That's awesome. Cool. Lots of different ways to play. And here is the map of Rome. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice thick chunky cardboard. And then we get our tokens. Lots of thick tokens in this one. All different colors. So I already came out a little bit. And now we get this real meat. All R&R loves me. We have a bag full of stuff already bagged. Look at that. Different tokens, colors, meeples for all the different players. Sweet. And then we have everyone's separate player board, which makes me happy. Nice, thick, lots of iconography to help you get through. And thick, chunky cardboard. So, this is all the cool stuff inside of Rome, City of Marble. I'm at ThrowPunchG on Twitter, ThrowPunchGames.com, and at ThrowPunchG on Instagram. Like, subscribe.